káàbọ̀ sórí gbàgede Tana Ado. Orúkọ tèmi ni Tana, èmi sì lolùkọ́ yín lórí gbàgede yìí. Ibi ni a ti ń kọ́ èdè Yorùbá tí a sì ti ń kọ́ nípa ẹ̀yà Yorùbá lápapọ̀. In this video, we shall be learning about sounds in Yoruba language. These sounds are important because they form the basis of how the language is written and spoken. So it is important that we learn how to pronounce correctly these sounds. There are 3 sounds in Yoruba language. 2 out of these 3 form the letters of the Yoruba alphabet, while the third one dictates how the former 2 are pronounced. As I said, 2 of the 3 sounds make up letters of the alphabet. Therefore, it is important for us to learn the letters of the Yoruba alphabet. I will be reciting the letters of the Yoruba alphabet and I want you to pay attention. You can also rewind and listen over and again to help you master how to pronounce the Yoruba letters. Now let's take the recitation. A, B, D, E, F, G, B, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, C, Sh, T, U, W, Y. There are 25 letters in the Yoruba alphabet, unlike the English alphabet that has 26 letters. The Yoruba alphabet is similar to the English alphabet except for some variations. For instance, we have 2 variants of the A and O letters, and then for the S as well we have 2 variants, one with a diacritic, that is the inverted dash under it. That one with the diacritic is pronounced she, as in shop. Now, unlike English where we have p for pot or pan, in Yoruba it is pronounced pi. Also, you will notice the absence of C, Q, V and Z. So we don't have that in the Yoruba language. And then there is an addition of B. That is the conjoined G and B together, forming a single sound. I don't think there's a word in English language that has that sound, so we're just going to pass over it. B and P do not have English counterparts. So there you have it. Those are the letters of the Yoruba alphabet. You can rewind this video to listen to the recitation of the alphabet once again. I'll drop the timestamp of where the alphabet recitation is in this video down in the description box, so to make it easier for you to locate. Do you not find it interesting that Yoruba letters are actually in sync with the Montessori reading system? I mean, that's my best part in this whole thing. Like, the Yorubas have been using the Montessori reading system since 19 Now that we have recited the letters of the Yoruba alphabet, let's go further into sounds. Remember I said earlier that we have 3 sounds in Yoruba language and 2 of them make up the alphabet, which we have just recited. Those 2 are consonants and vowel sounds, and there's a third one that we'll be touching on much later in this video. The first 2 consonants in Yoruba is called consonanti, and the second one, vowel, is called faweli. So sound in Yoruba is iro. So we have iro consonanti, iro faweli, and the third one is iro. Let's focus on the first 2, iro consonanti and iro faweli. The consonant sounds are B, D, F, G, B, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, R, C, Sh, T, W, Y. Those are the consonant sounds. Let's go ahead to recite the vowel sounds. Iro faweli. Àwọn iro faweli tí a ní èdè Yorùbá, àwọn rèé o. A, E, I, O, U. Moving on to the third type of sound we have in Yoruba language, which is irohun. Those are tones, and tones direct how we pronounce our words in Yoruba language. So when we also write, we need to indicate which tone it is that we have pronounced in every word that we write. In Yoruba language, tones are put or are indicated on vowel sounds. So every vowel sound in Yoruba language must have a tone. Now, there are 3 tones in Yoruba language. Oríṣi ìró ohùn mẹ́ta ló wà lédè Yorùbá. Àwọn sì ni ohùn òkè, ohùn ìsàlẹ̀ àti ohùn àárín. Ohùn òkè, high tone, ohùn ìsàlẹ̀, low tone, ohùn àárín, mid tone. These tones are represented with diacritics, as you can see on your screen, and you are expected to put them appropriately on vowel sounds in every word that you write. Please note that tones are only placed on vowel sounds and never on consonant sounds. Consonant sounds do not carry tones, only vowel sounds carry tones. The high tone is pronounced mi, the low tone is pronounced do, and the mid tone is pronounced re. So when I was an undergraduate, there was this trick we used in first year to master how to write the tones so we don't mix them up. We used the elbow trick. Watch the elbow trick. We have mi, re, do. Mi, re, do. So because it is omoke, that is high tone, it is going up, it faces this way. Because it is low tone, of course, it's going down, so it faces this way. And then the mid tone is in the middle, it is flat this way. So watch the elbow trick once again. Mi, re, do. Mi, re, do. This trick is to help you learn faster. Now, in order to help you familiarize with the tones, I will be using each of the vowel sounds to recite the tones. I'll do a tonal recitation for all 7 vowels to help you familiarize with how the tones sound. Let's get into it. A, a, a. A, a, a. E, e, e. E, e, e. E, e, e. E, e, e. I, I, I. I, I, I. O, O, O. O, O, O. O, O, O. O, O, O. U, U, U. U, U, U. Were you able to follow the recitation? If you found it confusing, don't fret at all. With practice, you will get used to it and it will be easy peasy for you from then on. In subsequent videos, we'll be doing more practicals with the tones. Until then, I want you to keep practicing with this video. Matumarin no fun mi. Ó dàbọ̀.